Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play COD Black Ops Cold War. Start by focusing on movement, aiming, and loadouts. Practice sprint, slide, and aim down sights in private matches, then test recoil control on target ranges. Prioritize a primary weapon you enjoy and add attachments that reduce recoil or improve handling. Learn a secondary for close encounters and tweak perks to complement your playstyle for consistent improvement. Study each map to understand choke points and common flanking routes, then position yourself to control key sightlines without overexposing. Use cover, corners, and elevation to force enemies into unfavorable fights, and communicate rotations with teammates to hold or contest objectives. Adapt your route choices based on the game mode and enemy tendencies, and always have a fallback position if the push fails. Build loadouts that suit your role. Aggressive players pick mobility and close-range weapons, while anchors choose stability and long-range damage. Invest score into helpful field upgrades and kill streaks that shift momentum, and buy equipment that supports team objectives like smoke or stun. Test attachments to reduce recoil and improve handling, and swap perks to counter the enemy team for better match outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.